Please like and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.
A quiet, pleasant, peaceful scene, far from the noise and crowds of cities and towns. Yet, all over Britain, through the medium of radio and television, residents in villages such as this are able to keep abreast of current events and world affairs. In addition, music, drama, and sport, in fact all forms of entertainment, can be brought into their homes. One of the foremost companies supplying these amenities of modern civilization is Rank Bush Murphy Limited. From their factories at Plymouth and Welwyn Garden City, radio and television receivers are dispatched every week to supply an ever-increasing demand from their selected dealers in all parts of the country. These modern factories, in their ideal surroundings, immediately give the impression of quality and efficiency, an impression which is reflected throughout all stages of production and inspection to the finished product. A modern receiver, with all its complexities, is built up from a variety of components. Through all stages of production, great care is taken to ensure only the highest quality work goes into its manufacture. And from the very start, this work is regularly inspected to make certain it conforms to the exacting standards required by Rank Bush Murphy quality control. In another part of the factory, portable record players begin to take shape under the skilled hands of the operators. Their dexterity and attention to detail maintain the high standard required through all phases of manufacture. Similarly, on the transistor radio line, perfection is the ticket to dispatch. Work continues simultaneously on components and sub-assemblies to make possible a continuous flow of finished receivers. But good workmanship and physical examination are not enough. Tuner units and similar sub-assemblies all have to be electronically tested before being passed along the production line for inclusion in a finished set. While the chassis receives its final assembly test, cabinets and tubes are prepared for the last phase in production. On completion, every receiver is individually set up and thoroughly inspected before it is passed for dispatch. This thoroughness of production control ensures a high-quality finished product, and in order that this product reaches the public in perfect condition, great care is taken in packing the sets to eliminate damage in transit. As Rank Bush Murphy is a worldwide organization, they produce for export as well as for the home market. And in their export cases, receivers are sent out to all corners of the world. The wide range of Rank Bush Murphy products caters for all tastes and provides a first-class means of receiving and reproducing entertainment. In the research laboratories, the constant development of new ideas, designs and techniques has placed Bush and Murphy in the forefront of domestic receiver manufacturers, while continuation of this research will maintain and increase their technical lead in the future. Here, since 1956, when colour television receivers were first supplied to the BBC and GPO, experienced engineers have been dealing with the intricacies of colour television. The colour monitor used in the first ever Telstar transatlantic colour transmission was made in these laboratories. Backed by the knowledge and experience thus gained, and with the establishment of a colour television service, Bush and Murphy sets will be ready to bring colour right into your homes.
Please like and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.